guys, so today's makeup look is a Holi makeup look, which is like for a Holi party, and I have all decked up. So let's get to the tutorial. So the first step is primer. After putting cleanser, toner and moisturizer, I am using Smashbox primer. MAC Mineralized Moisture SPF 15 foundation. For eye makeup, we are going with the JaclynHill palette with a MAC 217, which is a fluffy brush. I am going in the crease, and the shade I am using for my transition color is Pooter. Then I am going with Queen, which is this shade. JH41. I am going into the corner of the eyes, the outer V.
Now I am putting beam in the center and inner corner of the eyelids. As they say, blending is the key, guys. Blend, blend, blend.
Then I am taking a little bit of mocha, this shade, and I'll go in the outer V of the eyes because it's look very plain. And then I am taking a last little bit of a base to intensify the outer corner. Then take a JaclynHill 40 blending brush.
Again blending, blending and more blending to complete the eye look. Now putting the kajal or the gel eyeliner with an angled brush. I am using the Maybelline one, Maybelline gel eyeliner. I am putting Pooter in the lower lash line because it completes the look. Now I am putting kajal, Revlon kajal in the lower waterline. And now eyebrows must be filled. I am using a light brown eyebrow powder. I am setting it with AnastasiaBrowGel.
So I am putting Mangrove lipstick, which is from MAC, and this is a matte color. For contouring, I am using AnastasiaContourKit, which is light to medium. For under eye area, I am using banana powder. For highlighter, I am using Becca Cosmetic Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Powder, and the shade is Moonstone. On the sides of the cheek, I am using Champagne Pop, taking very little bit on the tip of ring finger. The blush blush I am using is Chanel. It's called Affinite. The mascara I am using is L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes. Don't forget the lower lashes.
Adding false lashes gives a real glam look.
And to set it all, MAC Prep and Prime. And this is one of my favorite, like all-time favorite.
And now guys, this is the final look. All decked up, ready for the Holi party. These earrings are from Amazon.